Okay, folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Dallas Paint Coatings. I wanted to bring you guys in. This is going to be a pretty quick video. About a week ago, well, a couple of days ago, I posted a video about Armor All, their exterior detailer and their high shine spray wax. Both of these are ceramic based. But actually, when I posted that video, I had done it like a week earlier. So this panel's been sitting with both of these products on it for well over 7 days. So the blue stuff is on this side of the tape line. The stronger stuff, the yellow stuff from Armor All, is on this side of the tape line, on the left side. So I've got, from this body line here to the tape line, I've got the yellow stuff. From the tape line to this body line, I have the blue stuff. On the ends of the panel are two products that I'm working on for private label clients. I just wanted to see it on the panel with these two retail products. It's for my own curiosity, just to see how they compare to a retail product. But the yellow stuff is on this side. The blue stuff is on this side here. We're going to hit it with water. Let's see, are these products hydrophobic? You can buy this stuff at Walmart. It's pretty cheap. I think this is less than 12 bucks. It's $11.95 for the Armor All exterior detailer. It's the hybrid ceramic, the blue stuff. Very easy to use. Nice and slick on the surface. Won't streak on you. Can even use this in direct sunlight. I use it in Dallas when it's hot. It works great. The yellow stuff, they make a bold claim on it. They say it will last for over a year. I don't go down that rabbit hole. It doesn't matter to me. These are water-based. I typically use these products as maintenance over, like maintenance sprays over coatings. That's what I use them for. I typically don't use anything like this as a standalone. But even if I did, I wouldn't get worried about durability. I would just reapply it as needed. Or maybe I would use it after every wash. It's cheap. It's not expensive. This stuff is like, I think it's $14.95. Just under 15 bucks for the supposedly the stronger one. Let's hit it with water and let's see what it looks like. I'm very curious. All right, so we've got this panel here. I've got my trusty little power washer here. I'm just going to hit it with water and let's take a look. Again, on the ends of the panel is some stuff that I actually created for a private label client, but we'll focus on these two panels right here, or these two sections on the panel. Let's hit it with water. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, very interesting. If you notice the blue stuff, it's pretty hydrophobic. It's got some nice water beading there. But I can overwhelm it with the flow of water. Watch the panel. It will flood, but when I let go of the water flow, it'll bead up. It's not bad. It's a good product. It's got some nice water beading. Like I said, though, you can kind of see it. I can overwhelm it just slightly, and it will pool up. But the minute I get the water flow off it, it'll resolve and go back to beading and sheet the water off pretty fast. Great product. I think for less than 12 bucks, how can you go wrong? The yellow stuff seems more tenacious when it comes to water beading, and I can't overwhelm it with the flow of water like I can the blue one. A little bit, but not a lot. Watch. Very good. That yellow stuff is great. Under 15 bucks. Very, very hydrophobic. The blue one's not a slouch either. It'll work fine. Yellow stuff definitely seems a little bit more powerful. Then what I have on the end there is just something completely different. Just curious how it compares. That looks good. But boy, I'm going to say it. The yellow stuff on this side, very, very good product. I wish it was slicker. The blue stuff is definitely slicker, but the blue stuff is not as hydrophobic as the yellow. Just by the way it's responding on the panel, it does feel like it's going to be stronger than the blue stuff. It's much more impressive on just this first rinse down after a week. But I like them both, and I think they're worth getting. Something you can pick up at Walmart if you've got a coating on your car and you want to use them as maintenance sprays. I don't see why not. I think Armor All has kind of changed the game a little bit as far as, you know, Armor All doesn't have the best reputation out there. They didn't really make products that were all that durable. They certainly weren't sexy like this with being able to bead water. But these two products are home runs for them. Just wish the yellow one was a little bit slicker. But that's fine. I'd use that as a standalone. I'd certainly use it over a coating. But I like the blue one too because of the fact I can use it in direct sunlight, doesn't streak. But between these two products here, I think the yellow one is the clear winner. What do you guys think? Very cool. I like it. Talk to you guys soon.